Hello, people. Today's agenda we will discuss about the branches of cybersecurity. So we have a lot of branches in security field. So coming to the one by one, what are the branches are available in the cybersecurity? So see here, the first one is information security and physical security, application security, product security, lot and IoT security, and cloud security, and finally cybersecurity. These are all of the branches are available in the security. In the today's market, we have there is a lot of demand in the security field, right? So we have to whoever looking into okay, the security analysts or cyber security experts or analytics, we know to know about the everything about the security concept. So today's agenda, I am coming with some new touch up points with you. So I will explain everything in the security concepts. On the previous class, what we discussed about the definitions and what are the abbreviations and what are the concepts are available in the security classes. So today's agenda, I will explain just some of the depth knowledge I will give you that how I hope to this will cover everything. So the next classes will explain the different to the next sessions. Okay. So this is the branches of security, cyber security. Then coming to the next topic. So see, I have prepared an Excel sheet and I will make it everything. So it's very like easy to understand. That's why I'm preparing this tracker. See, coming to the networking concept, the security market, networking is the key point, right? So I will explain. Coming to the first one point is I'm preparing this with the networking concept. See, the why we need to explaining in this Excel sheet. If someone if not understand, they will also revise once back and they will also noted everything, right? So then only then that is the reason I have to create this Excel sheet. Okay. See, coming to the networking concepts here, the first concept is CCNA. What is CCNA? So some of the persons are not aware of the CCNA. CCNA is just so certified network administrator. This is one of the certification and this is one of the course. So the basic networking concepts and everything is available in this CCNA course. So first we have to know about what is CCNA. Then we will get some idea our idea about the networking concepts. Okay. Then coming to the OSLAs, these are the basic concepts. Like we everyone know, right? So OSLAs, like there are 7 layers are available. So like physical layer, data link layer, network layer, transport layer, session layer, presentation layer, application layer. These are all the layers. Okay. Then next classes, I will explain what layer, what containing, and what exactly the workflow is going on there. I will explain the further classes. Today's agenda is just to what are the concepts are available in the security. Okay. Then coming to the TCP IP layers, like transmission control protocols and IP layers. These are some of the protocols here, like classification of IP address. There are some IP address are required, right? To like actually hackers are coming with these addresses only, so we have to know about the basics of IP address knowledge as well, like how many classification of IP address, and within the IP address classification, how many IPs are available, like private IPs, public IPs, like we for configuration, VC configurations, we have to know the basics of IP address classifications as well. Then coming to the ports and protocols, we have a lot of ports are available, um, like ports means like port numbers, like ports means DNS, TCP, TFTP. These are the ports and protocols. We have to know about everything, each and everything concepts. Okay. Then coming to the Nmap tool. Nmap tool, like basically we are using for the scanning, network scanning, port scanning purpose. We are using this network tool. Then coming to the network commands, like basic commands, like how to enter the system and how to hijacking the systems, like what is the concepts, like what are the minimum basic like basic concepts networking commands will be get to know, like easily to commanding the controls in the networking area. So that they want to know about the networking commands as well, like DNS server records and domain name systems, like basic database applications, like querying the languages. We need to know about these are the networking concepts we have to know. The next sessions we will deep into try the every concept and every topic only. Okay. Then coming to the endpoint security and endpoint protection. So this is a like endpoint security, endpoint protection means like what is the starting point, what the loophole is existing in the attacker side. Then we want to know about everything like antivirus, EDR, like DLP, data leak preventions, FIM, file integrity monitoring, encryptions, HIDS, HAPS, like host intrusion detection systems, host intrusion prevention systems. We have to know about everything in deep into drive with the next sessions. Okay, like why I'm suggesting to get to know about these definitions. See, if you're if you're searching in a Google like DLP, then we want to then you get some idea about what is a DLP, like FIM, file integrity monitoring. What is file integrity monitoring? So just I'm putting only basic things only for today's agenda. Then next classes will move. Okay. Then coming to the network security. See, network security here, like next generation firewalls, we have to require proxy, web gateway, NIDS, NIPS, network IDS, network IPS. We need to know about everything here, like proxy related things, proxy blocking, how to block the proxy and how to enable and which times needs to enable this proxy server, application server, and everything we have to know about that. And coming to the application security, so today's market, this is a very important for the application related security. Like today's market is very crucial issues are facing in this application security issues. Like I said previously, I said like there are some branches in cyber security, right? Like there are like application security, mobile security, and IoT and IO and product security. These are all coming with in a single umbrella. Okay, so we have to provide the security like coordinating with software architects and product owners as well. Like these are the SDLC, software development life cycle. In this area, we have to coordinating with software architects and product owners as well. So like coordinating developers by coordinating with testing tools. In the testing phase, we have to provide some security testing as well. When the finally that application will release to the live. Once once our side security side, there are no issues are existing, no risk is existing, there are no loopholes are existing, then only we have to inform to the respect to application owners or product owners as mobile owners, whatever it may be. Then they will sign off and they will release to the public. So all the security domains are following this security life cycle. Okay. There are some like we everyone knows, right? Like retail sector, banking sector, healthcare sector, finance sector, or oil sector, every sector they are following the software development life cycle. Okay. And coming to the next one is cryptography. Cryptography is a this is a depth subject we'll discuss later. And OS top 10 attacks, application related attacks, and web application firewalls. We will discuss later. And then just I'm putting here just at least we will go and check with Google that basic knowledge we will get. And then okay, coming to the information security in the sense like GRC, governance risk and complaints. Then every if you're suppose if you are into if you are opening any application, we are filling some application, right? Like on form, like we are agreeing this application to entering that application. These are the GRC related application. These are the GRC rules, governance and risk and rules we are agree. So that's why I'm using this application. So this is a one of the information related security concept, ISO 271. These are all the like these are all the one of the ISO 27 HIPAA related complaints. These are all the science and very standard. They are following some standards. There are also ISO standards, HIPAA standards, and some of the standards also where they are following for information security point of view. Then coming to the risk management, like if something is any risk is happening with any person facing while they're using the application, so at the time the information security team is coming to the picture and they will resolve the issues in that phase. Okay. Then coming to the cyber security, there are two branches are available here, like SOC and SIM, like security operations center, security um, see here, security information event management. These are the two key basic branches. So in these two branches only, overall handling above branches as well. So this is a key concept. And coming to the next, cloud security, then the cloud environment security. We know, right? So today's market, everything is cloud, moving to cloud. Like we know, right? Like Azure, AWS, Alibaba Cloud, IBM Cloud, Google Cloud, GCP. Everything it is cloud. The cloud security as well. It is most important. All the security solutions we have to implement the cloud as well. So it will provide that is a better solution. Okay, and then like IAM, identity access management. These are all of the some security coaches are following in the cloud side. Coming to the infrastructure security, then infra level, they are vulnerability management, like any weaknesses or any loopholes are existing. They are scanning and everything. This infrastructure security level, they are following these agents. And coming to the process technologies, like today's market, the process technology is very important. Like the ITL process, NIST framework. These are the process oriented information technology, like they're following this process. Like actually ideal processor focusing on the service based companies, and the NIST framework mostly product based companies are following. So coming to the ideal process means we right, like incident management life cycle, problem change, these are coming with ideal processes. um, this is also key point, we have to know about this process as well. Yeah. So today's agenda is to process related, and NSD framework. We have to know at least these concepts as well. Then coming to the tools, tools like inside, if you want to work as a cyber security analyst or cyber security engineer or any related security job, we have to know about how to handle these tools as well. The main work is focusing on the tools. These are the practical work on this. This is the main thing we have to learn about in the security sector. Like these are all of the open source tools. What I am putting here, these are all of the open source. No need to pay anything. This is a open cost. There is no cost required. These are open source tools like MX tool, IP void, IP abuse, virus total, URL scan, Nmap, Cisco TLS. These are all the open source tools. We can freely use and check what type of attacks are coming and check everything in that alert we received with freely. No need to pay anything. Okay. Then coming to the commercial tool. Commercial tools means we have to pay money and then only we can use this. Companies will pay and they are buying from the vendors and then they will provide and then they will use in the company side. Okay. Like SIM tools, like coming with SIM tools like security event management tools like the IBM QRadar, Azure Sentinel, Splunk, and Logarithm. These are the trending tools in the nowadays in the market. So we have to know about the commercial tools. At least two tools we have to require to work as a cybersecurity analyst. Okay, like Splunk or IBM QRadar, whatever it may be, you have to know about at least two tools. Okay. Then coming to the EDR tools. EDR tools means we know we at least we know about the CloudStrike or Defender, at least one tool. Then coming to the vulnerability management tools like the Rapid7 or something, there are a lot of tools are available in the market. So based on the companies and based on the respective project requirement, they are using with different tools. So these are the basic and minimum knowledge we have to know about in the cyber security. Okay. Then coming to the ticketing tools, like today's market is ticketing tools. ServiceNow is the best tool to raising the tickets and solving the issues within the, like this is a free and open source. This is also commercial tool. This is also good tool to learn about the basic knowledge of cyber security. And then coming to the Jira, and this is also using for the tracking with alerts and incidents. And coming to the sports scanning side, we have to know about Nmap tool. And this is the today's agenda. I hope everything is understand, right? So coming to the next session, I will explain everything in the deep into drive, like what is CloudStrike and what are the tools and what is like what are the open source tools. I will explain everything in the next sessions. Like suppose the CCNA, what is CCNA, then why it is required. Everything I will explain everything. What are the IS, OSL layers and TCP, IP layers. I will explain the next further classes. Okay. Then we will close this session today. Okay. Thanks for watching. Thank you guys. Bye.